Barney Whiter writes one of the most popular UK financial independence blogs called The Escape Artist. As a qualified accountant, he had a career in corporate finance until he built up a large enough investment pot to allow him to quit his job aged 43. Since then, he has been teaching others about financial independence through his blog. The 3 most important lessons that I have learnt from reading his blog are as follows. Number 1. Small improvements compound to huge gains over time. David Brailsford was the manager that revolutionised Great British cycling and transformed them into one of the most successful cycling teams in the history of British sport. This was done through an approach known as the aggregation of marginal gains. The GB cycling team redefined high-performance sport. They looked at every single process within the elite physical preparation cycle and attempted to improve every aspect of it, no matter how small. Fine-tuning of equipment, improved nutrition, better clothing technology, improved recovery strategies, even optimising what pillow the athlete slept on. Each athlete would take their optimal pillow to the hotel to allow them to get the best quality sleep and improve their recovery. They left no stone unturned. To quote Brailsford, if we improve these things by a small percentage, as little as 1%, they all add up to a big improvement in overall performance. The Escape Artist uses the aggregation of marginal gains and makes the connection between these small incremental improvements and reaching your financial goals. Gradual increments, no matter how small, can compound over time to lead to exponential growth. Frugality, side hustles to increase income, investing wisely, reducing investing expenses, self-improvement, healthy eating, exercising, the list goes on. Small changes to all these little things can lead to a drastically improved life further down the line. Leave no stone unturned in your pursuit of financial independence. Number 2. Financial independence is for everyone. One of the most common criticisms of financial independence is that it's only relevant for super high earners or investment geniuses. But the reality is, if you are not a high earner, it's even more important to know what's going on with your finances and build a safety net to improve your options in life. The techniques of financial independence are about making smarter life choices, being conscious about spending, developing financial literacy, and intentionally putting money into productive assets instead of frittering it away. The fact is, everyone will become financially independent at some point when they retire, and obviously not everyone will be able to achieve FI in their 30s, but Barney makes the point that financial independence is not binary. Everyone can get better with money and meet their goals sooner. Number 3. The stock market is a supercomputer. Everything reported in the media has already happened, whereas the stock market is like a forward-looking supercomputer, continually gathering, analysing and interpreting data and then pricing businesses to reflect all current information and uncertainty. Basically, the stock market is highly efficient and all available information is already reflected in the price. Therefore, all news about the day-to-day movements of the stock market are just noise. Barney favours the approach that this noise should be ignored, and instead, you should focus on building your compounding machine by getting out of debt and investing regularly into a low-cost global equity index fund and letting the stock market compound and work its magic. By following the lessons of the Escape Artist, you too can escape the prison camp.